Elizabeth, is over to you.
Thank you for the updates, Benny. Seplat Energy PLC has unveiled its first fully equipped solar-powered multipurpose laboratory that will enable secondary school students in Edo and Delta states develop skills-based science and technology innovations. Jude Abogo reports that the laboratory was inaugurated at Ihogbe Secondary School during the company's annual education summit and official launch of Seplat Innovators program in Benin City, Edo State.
The multipurpose laboratory is equipped with gadgets, equipment, and materials that will enable students and their teachers apply knowledge acquired in science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics in making discoveries, research, and innovations.
This laboratory will enable them teach the students to deploy the STEAM education, come out with technological-driven solutions, and enable them perform well in their academic performance.
Nigerians were blessed with sun, we're blessed with wind, and in the lab today you see we've installed solar panel. So what solar panel does is to extract, energy from the sun. That will be stored in the batteries, which is going to be installed as well, so that this school then can run 24 hours on renewable energy.
Having already embraced Seplat's STEAM education model, the laboratory is a boost to students and teachers of Ihogbe College and other schools where the laboratory is set to be launched in Edo and Delta states.
For now, we have been doing our best in the sciences, but we want to excel more than this as regards science at Ihogbe College.
At the Education Summit attended by officials of Delta and Edo state governments, including representatives of the two governors, as well as Seplat STEP partners, speakers and panelists highlighted the components of STEP program, its benefits, and the role technology plays in transforming education.
I'm impressed with the Seplat STEP program in terms of the various applications that are available to you, those of you who have been fortunate to participate in the program.
I've learned to put more effort as a teacher to make sure whatever I teach in theory, I practice with my students.
The Education Summit climaxed with presentation of award certificates and gifts to 10 teachers that stood out in the 3-month intensive STEP training. In Benin, Jude Abogo, NTA News.
For more reports on the network news, let's head to the city of aquatic splendor, Lagos, where Adeola is standing by. Nice to see you, Adeola. Nice to see you, Adeola.
Likewise, Elizabeth. The traditional institution, being the closest